drömmen. Och om du, precis som jag, råkar vara ett stort fan av tv-serien Breaking Bad.
We have built this hypnotic cinema to experiment with the film experience, to challenge our ideas about how to watch a film and to explore how the film experience is affected when you watch the film in a different way.
You get rid of all the noises and people, distractions. And all of that, and also with the sound, you really got into the movie with all the sound, and like he said, touch this and feel the smell of this, so a better focus.
I tried to do those things that he told us, like feel the textures of fabric, skin, hair and so on, and it was easier to focus because of the environment, total black, just light screen.